Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious quesadillas at home using Roti, an easy and quick method. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 8 Roti, 1½ cups of shredded cheese, and your preferred fillings. Good melting cheeses like Monterey Jack or cheddar work best. Ensure any meat or vegetables are pre-cooked and seasoned to your liking, ready to be assembled. Now let's assemble our quesadilla. Place 1 Roti flat in your pan or on a clean surface. Sprinkle approximately 1/2 cup of shredded cheese over the entire surface, leaving a small border. Next, add a thin, even layer of your chosen fillings, such as seasoned chicken or black beans. Finish with another 1/2 cup of cheese, then gently place a second Roti on top. It's time to cook our quesadilla to golden perfection. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat, adding just a small amount of oil or butter. Carefully transfer your assembled quesadilla to the warm pan. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until the Roti is golden brown and crispy, and the cheese inside is beautifully melted and gooey. Press down gently with a spatula. Once cooked, remove the quesadilla from the pan and let it rest on a cutting board for about 1 minute. This brief rest helps the cheese set slightly. Then, using a sharp knife, cut your quesadilla into 4 or 6 wedges, just like a pizza. Serve these warm, cheesy delights immediately with your favorite dipping sauces, such as salsa, sour cream, or guacamole. Enjoy your easy homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.